Hey girls, this is Miss Gasparini with another math video for my lovely first grade mathematicians. We've done a lot of work this week with two-digit addition. We've talked about our strategies and we've used them in all sorts of problems, like word problems. Today, we're going to do one last review by solving our word problem challenge from yesterday. Let me read the problem to you. It says, Aaron and Leslie went to the aquarium. They saw 22 penguins and 26 fish. How many animals did Aaron and Leslie see at the aquarium? So remember, when I am completing a word problem, I need to start by underlining what I need to know and what I want to know. So I'm going to start by rereading this problem and underlining the information I need to know and I want to know. Let's read it again. Aaron and Leslie went to the aquarium. They saw 22 penguins and 26 fish. What do I need to know right now? Right, I need to know that they saw 22 penguins. I'm going to circle my number. And they saw 26 fish. How many animals did Aaron and Leslie see at the aquarium? Okay, do I need to underline that question? I do. Okay, but why? Why do I need to underline that question? Yeah, because it's something I want to know. I want to know how many animals did Aaron and Leslie see at the aquarium? It's a question, which means I want to know the answer. So it's information I want to know. All right, they saw 22 penguins and 26 fish. I need to know how many animals did Aaron and Leslie see at the aquarium. So I need to know how many animals total Aaron and Leslie saw at the aquarium. Does that mean addition or subtraction? It means addition, yeah. Two-digit addition, because there's 22 penguins and 26 fish. So I'm adding 22 and 26 together today. And my written response to my word problem is going to be Aaron and Leslie saw animals. So I have the equation I need to solve, and I know how I'm going to respond. I'm going to say Aaron and Leslie saw animals. Now that I have this set up, I'm going to start using my strategies to solve. So my equation is 22 plus 26. I'm going to fill this out right now as a vertical problem. 22 plus 26. 22 plus 26. I have my one side and my 10 side. And now I'm not going to confuse them. And I also see that here too, my 10s and 1s. I already put those in because I didn't want to take the time, but you know 2 10s and 2 1s is 22 and 2 10s and 6 1s is 26. So I'm going to add my 1s together first. In 22 I have 2 1s and in 26 I have 6 1s. So my 1s are 2 plus 6. Can you help me add them together? Great. Let's start. Ready now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 6 is what? It's 8. Yeah, 2 plus 6 is 8. So 2 1s and 6 1s make 8 1s. Good job. Now we're going to look at our 10s. I have 2 10s on top and 2 10s on bottom. I am adding 2 plus 2. And I bet you girls already know 2 plus 2 like that. Boom. But I'm going to count my 10s up anyway, just to double check. All right. Ready? 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s. So 2 10s and 2 10s is 4 10s. So when I added 22 and 26 together, I got 4 10s and 8 1s. Who can tell me the number that is made up of 4 10s and 8 1s? Yeah, it's 48, which means 22 plus 26 is 48, which means Aaron and Leslie saw 48 animals. You guys did so well helping me out with this. Next week, we'll still be working on addition, but this time it'll be with regrouping. And I know you guys are going to continue to do amazing. Keep working hard. Keep working on your packets and keep practicing Zern. All right. Good job.